Positive affirmations can be a powerful tool to boost your self-esteem and confidence. These uplifting statements help rewire your thought patterns and replace negative self-talk with empowering beliefs. Begin by identifying areas in your life where you need a confidence boost. Then create affirmations that resonate with you. Repeat your affirmations daily, ideally in front of a mirror, and visualize the positive change they bring. With consistent practice, you'll notice increased self-esteem and a more optimistic outlook on life.